Hello everyone, welcome to the Hungry Kitchen. I'm Eric Long, and today I'm going to present you a simple savory dish which has been one of my favorite vegan dishes since childhood. It is called shredded potato stir fry, and I actually got a picture from my childhood to prove how much I like this dish. Right, so let's get started. So the ingredient we're going to use today is 1 red pepper, but we're not going to use all of them, 1 large potatoes, and use 2 if you use a medium-sized potatoes, and a few cloves of garlic. If you somehow get like this big garlic, then you're just gonna use 2 of them. And for the seasoning, today we're gonna use light soy sauce, rice vinegar, salt, and chicken powder. I will go into a little bit detail. So the reason why we use light soy sauce is because it gives the umami taste, a little bit salty, but it's not gonna turn your dish into dark color. It's not like dark soy sauce. And the same reason applies to the rice vinegar. It's pretty much transparent, so it's not gonna color your dish into very dark color. And any salt will work. And we also use chicken powder, but this is totally optional because we just wanted to enhance the overall flavor of the dish and give it a little bit aroma. And by the way, the chicken powder is actually vegan. There's no chicken in it. I'm gonna use a Chinese chef knife. Chop a large piece of potatoes on the longer side so that it could stand still on the chopping board. Cut the potatoes into thin pieces, but no need to be paper thin. Reorganize the potato pieces and start to cut them into slices. Be careful with the slicing because there will be starch attached to your blade, and it can be dangerous when cutting too fast. Better to have consistency on your potato slices, but no pressure. Put them right into a bowl of water after cutting to prevent oxidation. Put a few drops of vinegar in the water to keep the potato crispy. Try to imitate the way I cut up the pepper. It will help you slice it easier. If the slices are too long, cut a pepper into a half and slice it. Crush the garlics, peel them, and just give them a rough chop. And that's the preparation for the food. Wash the potato slices, drain out the water, and rinse the potatoes for a few times to get rid of the starch. Boil the potato slices in hot water for 20 to 40 seconds. We drain out the water. Rinse it with cold water so that the potato slices could stay firm. Chinese stir fry has a lot of hot oil and water contact. Drain out the water as much as possible to prevent oil splash and reduce smoke. Today, we are going to use a non-stick wok, but if you only have pan, it will do the work as well. If you use non-stick cookingware, put the oil in and heat up with your cookingware together. If you're using iron or steel pan, heat the pan to very hot and add in cold oil. It will help you prevent food sticking. When the oil is medium heat, put the garlic and red pepper in. Let the garlic release its aroma and make the pepper half cooked. When you see the brown color on the garlic, turn the heat all the way to maximum and put your potatoes in immediately. You need to keep high heat for the whole stir-fry session. When all the potato turn transparent, add salt first. Stir-fry for several times and let the salt evenly absorb. Then add soy sauce. Keep stir-frying and let sauce reduce a bit. When all the potatoes are evenly colored with soy sauce, put vinegar in. Put chicken powder in when there's still sauce in the wok. When the chicken powders are dissolved, the dish is done. Here's the stir-fry shredded potato, and thanks for joining us on our first episode of the Hungry Kitchen. And make sure to follow us on our website and our social media pages, and see you next time.